Long ago, in Mathura, there was a cruel king named Kamsa. His sister Devaki and her husband Vasudeva were in prison. God decided to take birth as their son to stop Kamsa's evil deeds. At midnight, baby Krishna was born in the prison. The prison doors magically opened and gods fell asleep. Vasudeva carried baby Krishna across the river Yamuna. He reached Gokul and left Krishna with mother Yashoda. Krishna grew up playing with friends and stealing butter. He protected the people and taught them to do good deeds. We celebrate Krishna's birthday every year as Janmashtami.
Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.